Hey guys, it's Chris here with Carolina Dent Expert. What I'm going to be showing you here today is a Tesla Model 3 dent on the quarter panel on the body line. I get asked just about every week about body lines, dents on body lines. Seems like everybody gets dented on the body line. It sticks out from your vehicle more than any other part of the car, and it's just a vulnerable area of the car. Honestly, they get dented by doors and just basically anything. That's a tool that I've got slid through the quarter panel with the liner pulled back. That's how I was able to access a dent. That particular tool's actually called what we call a whale tail. I'm going to be showing you the finished result right here. As you can see, it came out fantastic. This was a brand new car that the customer just purchased, so they weren't happy about getting a dent there, so they called me, and I was able to come out shortly thereafter and fix it for them. If you like what you see, guys, or if you've got a dent or a ding and you want to ask me about or go ahead and schedule, you can give me a call, guys, at 828-313-7587, or you can even text me a photo. Just about any time I should be able to get back with you. Thanks for watching.